minister of enjoyment, intercontinental.
Guys, I'm back to the house and I want to do some cleaning. This is what the house looks like. Everywhere is scattered and so dirty. So I want to clean up the house. And pack out and pack some remaining stuff we have left. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. Guys, I've just come out of the GP. I told you guys I was not feeling too well, so I'm just leaving the GP now. I'm going to get my prescription from the pharmacy, and also I want the pharmacy to check my son's lips. I don't know if he's come down with some infection. I don't know if it's an insect bite, but his lips seem swollen. Let me see your lips. Yep. It's quite swollen. So yeah. Guys, we're heading over to Goosefair. I'm just across the street. Let's cross. We can cross now. Come on. I'm just across the street from Forest Recreation, where the Goosefair happens or where it goes on. So I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like before it comes to life. I did this last year or last 2 years, but I'm redoing it now. So this is what it looks like before it comes to life. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you guys what it is basically. So do you see how empty this place is? This is like 12 noon. So yeah, if you look ahead, you're going to see some of the tall whatever, some lights and all that. So this is where it happens. This is where it all comes to life. I think in a few hours from now, everything is going to come to life. This is the first day, and this is what Goosefair looks like. So yep, let's see. Whoop. Somebody collecting my phone now. Press the cursor. I think it's been pressed already. Let's go. Come on. Yep. Let's do this. This place is massive. Look. What it looks like, guys. I'm at just the beginning part of this place. This is just the beginning. They're still setting up. You can see this is what some of them looks like. I'm going to show you what it looks like at night. Coaster. Yep. This was how it was last time. Midnight Express and this crazy one. Okay, come. Stargate. This very crazy one. This is another. Look at this one. Is that Gruffalo? Then I come out. Take it. Come out of the way. out. They're coming this way. Come on. Come this way. Come to my left. They started their kebabs already. Our favorite. Our kebab kings. They started their kebabs. Yep. Guys. And that's it. This is Forest Recreation Goose Fair. Look, everything is all set up and they are still setting up last minute because it's starting in a few hours. And this is what it looks like before it all comes to life. Like you can see that here is so empty, right? Give it a few hours. One thing is sure, today is Friday. It's not rainy. Trust me, this place is going to be packed. This is the first day and it is going to be packed up. This is what it looks like right now. I'm going to show you a video of what it looks like being packed up. Guys, good morning. I'm making this video on a Saturday morning and I resume work today. Let me just say that. So I'm at the old house and I want to come and clean up, at least clean up a significant amount of the space, should I say. Like next time I'm coming will be the last time I would come to clean up. Do you understand? I might not be able to clean up everything today, but I want to clean up so much today and at least try to rest before work. Guys, I'm stressed. I've been stressed for, I would say, the past 1 month, from my trip to London 2 times in 2 days for NSPPD and my passport, to celebrating my son's birthday, and down to, there was no time to rest really, because while doing all these I was still actively working, so there was no time to rest. I'm badly stressed. If you notice, my skin is saying everything. I can't even get my hair done because I have better things to think about. I'm stressed. I just feel like, I hope that after this weekend or after this week, I'll be able to rest a bit, because I can't see any major projects that I'll be doing. But yeah, I've just come to clean this house. I'm taking my time to arrange the new house. I'm taking my time. I'm not rushing because, I've got nowhere to go. So yeah, I want to show you guys what the outside of my house looks like. If you're ever thinking of, okay, why did we move from such a big space? Because guys, I love the space in this house. What we are in currently, the new house is not, it's like half of what we used to stay in. So this house is very, very big. It has enough space. It has a lot of storage. It has so much, but we are moving. Still same area, but we just have to move. Like, I'm literally tired of coming back to the house every time and seeing what I see. I think it makes me feel so low in mood because I can't keep up. So I'm going to show you people what the outside of the house looks like. That's one of the major things that is making us to move. Like, we can't maintain the house. Honestly, we can't maintain that part of it. So that's why I rather stay in somewhere where I have to just sweep a little than, and currently it's autumn, it's fall period, and trust me, hey, the amount of deaths, as in the way this house is going to look this period. So thank God we are leaving, honestly. Plus I'm tired of the space. We've stayed here for over 2 years. I'm just tired. Let's move, please. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys and what the house looks like. This is what it looks like. The house. This is the entrance of the house. Can you see that? See, this is the front part of the house. This is one part. This is the other side. Now, far off to your right, you're going to see that huge grass. That's still our space. So I just want to show you guys. Look, trust me, we can't keep up. The minute you're cleaning up this space, the next second, everywhere is getting all leafy, grown up. Look, that space is so much. And look what our neighbor, like, look at what is behind us. It's like a big forest. This is our storage. This is our garage. And yeah, just look. This is the front of the house. Yeah, all this space is ours. We didn't clean up, obviously, because we are moving. So we didn't bother cleaning up, but we'll still clean it up before we leave. we'll still clean all that up before we leave. So yeah, that's what it's clean up time, and I have to clean the kitchen. Guys, this is another major problem. If you can see, this is the toilet. It was leaking, and it was another major problem we kept facing for the past 2 years. So yeah, we had to just, pack our ngongo and leave. And that's the backyard. We have a pretty large backyard, but we are surrounded by bushes. My neighbor has a whole bush in their place. This other side is a whole bush. So we are in the middle of trees, bushes, Nah. It's mentally draining trying to keep up, trying to maintain all that. We were actually the ones that cleaned this backyard, cleared the fence from all these creeping leaves. We cleared that whole part. If you knew how it was before, it was, God, we just had to go, Biko. Guys, I'm now peeling off the wallpapers. I've done the one upstairs, and I won't even lie, some of them rip off a little bit of paint, the ones upstairs. But this particular matte wallpaper, it hasn't ripped anything. Let me show you. It doesn't rip anything at all, and it stays really nice. But let me show you the wall I destroyed, and right from when I destroyed it, I knew they were going to collect my deposit. Is this one. I tried to cover this thing that was not painted, which was not our fault. And guys, when I put the wallpaper, I put that foam wallpaper. I'm going to attach the picture. I'm not sure. I'm going to attach the picture. So I put the foam wallpaper, and when I put it, I didn't like how it looked. I won't even lie. So I ripped it. I thought it was going to rip off quite good. And ever since then, this wall has been like that. Now, let me show you another part. You see this wall stuff? This wall nail, this thing. I used it to attach our pictures recently, but I've tried to take it off, and I've tried to take it off, and it's coming out with the paint. Don't try to use this if you want to get your deposit or part of your deposit back. I think there are better options. And also, this kind of wallpaper is not good for the wall. So there are different wallpapers you use. So yeah, I've seen this part, and I've learned from my mistake. I'm not putting any wallpapers up in the other house. That house looks nice.
A few moments later.
I am done with cleaning this house. I am done with, as in, can your professional cleaner ever? I did a really deep clean that lasted for like 5 days. Cleaned up everywhere to the best of my strength. Let's go upstairs. I've cleaned everywhere. Washed the toilet. Yeah, that's the stressful face right there. Yeah. So this will be the last day. We'll have to tip all this stuff. This will be the last day in this house. And like always, I'm grateful. 2 years plus was a whole lot. Yeah. I'm grateful to better days ahead, better houses. I'm done. Let them come and do their inspection. And let's get this over with. So I'm going to tip some things. I'm tipping some things. I'm waiting for hubby to come and take them. This is the kitchen. I did serious scrubbing on all these cupboards. I cleaned everywhere. We cleaned the backyard. And yeah, washed this bathroom, cleaned the utility room. Right, this is it. We are going to have to tip all these things. We're going to have to tip all this. So yep. And that's it, guys. Au revoir to this house.
Please like and subscribe.